We're gonna have to be dealing with the foggy blue light. That's why I'm wearing my blue light glasses. It's winter. What do you expect? I really want to record a video, and I've been trying to record a video for the last 3 days, but things have been coming up. But I have 30 minutes to get started, so I'm gonna get started. Do we like the hair? The glasses? I'm trying to be more accessorizable. Do you have a Valentine? Supposedly I don't. This is no shade to my fiance, but I figured it'd be a good rage bait, clickbait video. My fiance did not ask me to be his Valentine. But it's not even February yet, it's January 28th. So, I figured, sorry, my vision, these don't have prescription, but I swear they make me feel weird. What was I saying? Oh yeah, let's make a cutesy little Valentine pouch thing, bag thing, that I'm gonna give myself, because it's what I would want. Even for Galentines, like, I think the concept of Galentines is so cute, but sometimes I feel like I'm obnoxious. Not in a bad way, but I'm just like, okay, Lynn, do not be that friend that's like, so what are you doing now? Do you want to hang out? Do you miss me? Like, chill. People have lives. I know that. That's what I'm telling myself. I'm thinking, in my head, I see something pink, hearts, fluffy, lacy bows, ultimate mega cute. I would love to add like a cute little beaded charm, but I don't. I need to get that supplies later. But I can make the bag today. I have the stuff for the bag. Like a little, oh shit. Okay, I also just remembered Bagoo came out with these like mini Bagoo bags that I kind of liked. Let me show you. That's so dangerous. Do not do that. I put 2 Nespresso pods thinking I'm like, I'm so like need to be awake. I have anxiety now. Don't look. If you must know. That's all I'm gonna give you. That song just meet predators. This freaking thing. It's $20, which is not horrible, considering it would probably cost me the same amount to make it. But come on, that is cute. Can you see it? That is cute. It's tiny and it has a zipper. Like, and it's like a mini Bagoo. So like, maybe I'll do something like that. Penny, shh. But anyways, I think something like mini and cute could be so cute and fun. I'm actually gonna do some quick sketching. Can you see? There we go. A little bow bag, and then like we ruche that up. It's like a little zipper pouch. Hang as a keychain. That's the little keychain part. We could also do like, I've done heart-shaped zipper pouches and they just do not, for some reason people don't like them. I always think they're really cute too. But like I've even thought of like, you know, the classic Valentine heart-shaped thing. And then maybe I'll do like the zipper pouch on that side. Because I've done zipper pouches of a heart where it's like the heart opens up from the top and it's just, I don't know. Could try something different. Little square one keychain here. And we could do something fun here. I do have like iron-on patches that I could do something cute with. But so far I feel like the bow bag could be fun. If I do the bow bag, I'll do that and then I can cinch it in the middle and it'll create that shape. Or I just cut it out already kind of like this and then do that like that. I think that might, because it might be too bulky here. That is the most weirdest sketch I've ever seen, but does that make sense to you? Now, for fabric, all my fabric is outside. Boom. Okay, so I have 3 options. These are very, ow, I freaking bumped my finger. I kind of want to use this one. Cherries, plaid, and pink. That is the most girly Valentine's Day. I also thought this was really cute. But I feel like maybe a solid color would look nice. I think maybe a solid color because it's gonna be a bow. So it might be like, you know. I have to draft a pattern before I cut it, silly goose. Let's draft a pattern. Look at how cute. I've had this forever. My giant pencil that Victor got for me. Oh, actually. This is low-key giving Minnie Mouse, eh? I want this to be even though. So I'm gonna fold it. That's gonna be our middle point. This should give me the seam allowance that I'm looking for too. So I decided I kind of want to give it like more of a this type of a shape. And then the cool thing is you can always just fold it in half and it'll come out exactly the same on the other side. I would really like to get some better scissors. I got these at Daiso and they just suck. They're very sticky. I think they're even rusting. The rough draft. Oh wait, hell yeah. That's exactly what I wanted. If you can't see the vision, I feel sorry for you. I'm just gonna do it how I do it. I don't know why I'm trying something new. Pin your pattern. This part should be easy. I'm just gonna measure about 2 inches worth of straight line for the middle part, roughly. That's not straight. There we go. I might need another one of those, we'll see. Oh my goodness. So this is what you should have so far, and I'll be right back. It's freaking, okay, too bright. It's the next day. What did I do yesterday? Oh, I had a doctor's appointment. Did not get to finish. It took me like 2 hours. That's my specialist though. He's really nice. I feel so like lucky to have him as my doctor because he's very thorough and kind. Like, I don't feel worthy to have such a nice doctor, but I am worthy. Anyway, oh, do you want to know what I'm eating? Raw black seeds with manuka honey. Fucking nasty, bro. Oh, instead of having black seed oil. I don't know if I could eat all this, bro. My mom says it's really good for you though. For me, because of my lupus. Fucking gross. Okay, but I'm trying to distract myself. Just the initial taste is bad, but once it's chewed, it's fine. Oh. Okay. I'll put out my pieces and then I'll show you what I'm planning to do. I'm gonna do a black lining, and then, you know, we discussed this yesterday. I cut out the pieces. I'm gonna sew this down and then cut this out, so I'm gonna reverse it. And then I'm thinking I'll do that first. And then here I'm gonna do like a gathering stitch and then just do the ruching like that. There's so much. I just eat. I think I'd throw up if I eat all this. And I still have some in the bowl. Okay. I'm gonna get my thread and all my supplies. So I'm gonna need these. These. This is a pretty spot-on match. Bobbin and thread. Big scissors. And that's it for now. Jeez. Hot pink thread. So all thread, all purpose. So you slide it into the little toothpick that's up here. You put in your little stopper. This is the stopper. I put it in. It doesn't matter really which way you put it in. Pull out a good chunk of thread, which you can't see. There we go. Sorry. Okay. So you pull out your chunk of thread. You can kind of see it. It's really self-explanatory. You go here, here, then you follow the number 3, right? We're following the number 3. You go down, up to 4. Of course, this should be up and make it easier. So we turn the knobby here to make it go up. You see that little hook up here? So you're at 4, you go up to 5, pull it down, you're at 6, you hook it. Okay, you're at 6 and then you hook it behind that hook. Okay, so you're here. Some people like to thread it into this little area and then through the needle. I personally never have, and I just put it straight to the needle and I haven't noticed anything wrong. Because I find with my vision, there's also this like thing that I never learned to use that helps you thread it automatically. But I'll show you how I thread it. I always like to snip off the excess fuzzy parts to make it nice and sharp. My grandpa taught me to look at that little white square behind there as your like background, but I also like to put my finger. Okay, so you get it through and then you pull it all the way out. You don't have to use that much excess, but I mean, whatever, who cares? You have your bobbin, right? So you want to have the tail of the bobbin, this part, facing to the left, okay? This is the top view. It's really I used to have so much trouble with this, but just make sure your tail is facing to the left. Drop it in. There's a little groove right here. You pull it in there, and then you're gonna hear a little click, and you pull it up, and then it just falls right into the case. Practice makes perfect with these things, and it even shows you in the little picture right here. And you close it up. I'm gonna do 2 wide stitches here on the longest length. So length 4. Width doesn't matter, but length 4. But that's what it looks. Oh my gosh, you cannot see. I did that good of a job. I don't have so much darn thread everywhere. I'm going to sew this. I'm gonna bring my stitch back down to 2.5. The other side. Now I'm going to inside out it. You can use your fingers too. Just pull it right out. Yeah, this is what you're looking like. Don't zoom in on me now. Not too much on my girl. I'm gonna iron this so it's nice and pressed. Roughly what I'm thinking is like this. Do you see the vision? Oh please, that is cute. Finished this one. I'm hoping it comes out how I want to on this one. And in my head, how I want it to sew together, I don't know. But this is what it looks like without me adding it. And then this is the piece that I measured and kind of roughly cut. I think it measures, this one's from when I was knitting. Yeah, about 6 inches. That's 6 inches? Okay. Interesting. So I'm gonna sew this together like this, add in a pin, do about 1/4 inch seam allowance, straight stitch, 2.5. Such a nice day out today. I love when it's sunny. Cut off your excess threads right away. This is what you have. You're gonna flip it inside out, and then I'm gonna go iron this down so it lays flat. 1 second. So once I have my little piece like this, I'm going to slide it in this way, and this is what that's what it looks like. Haha. Okay, and I think I'm just gonna cut out the same. I'm hoping it fits, and then I'll just do a little gathering there. No, I gotta throw this away. If you remember my last video, that's what happened. Ooh, I don't have my ring on, I just noticed. Yay! I wasn't gonna do a lining, but I feel like it would just make it so much prettier. Because pink and black, I feel like is like a really old school combination that no one really uses anymore. Gathering stitch, I'm just gonna tie it off. Now I'm going to attach the zipper, the most fun part. I'm gonna sandwich it in between both layers. There's so many tutorials on how to freaking attach a zipper. I hate doing it, so I will not show you how I do it. Wish me fucking luck. Zipper foot. I switched back to the pink thread, by the way. And the hard part is this, I'm like sewing it in the shape of a bow, so I'm like trying to make it flat and like curved as possible. It's attached. I'm gonna go iron it. It looks funky. I'm gonna iron it. I'll be back. Do you see her? She does not pay rent. This is what it looks like right now. I'm stressed out because I don't know if it's gonna come out right. I'm unzipping the zipper a little bit and we're going to sew her shut. A little bit nervous. You really want to check your work and go back and stretch it out where it needs to be stretched so all the layers are connected. I'm gonna switch out my zipper foot back to my normal foot. I'm flipping it inside out. Oh, my camera's gonna die. Oh yeah, I gotta go back and sew that part. You see the bottom, I need to refix a little bit. That's okay. I just want to see the rough shape of it. I hope it's working. You see the vision? I just gotta fix this side and then close off these a little better. Okay, so unfortunately, this is how it came out. Look, I'm really happy with it. Tell me that's not cute. Tell me that's not like Hello Kitty, Kiki's Delivery Service. And it zips. Interior's okay, but like it's not the quality that I wanted, and I think I know where I messed up. In the bottom, this is where PMO. Like this did not grab properly. Here too. The zipper could have totally been attached a little better. And then it's a little lopsided, but that's just because at the end I kind of messed up here. I think I'm just going to redo the whole concept over, but I wanted to finish this video because this is like my 4th video of me trying to record and it not going well. And I want to keep my consistency. Oh my god, clothes. See, I also don't like that. What's going on? Okay. And I just wanted to keep my consistency of YouTube posting. So let me know if you think this is a cute concept. Do you see the vibe or no? Should I just scrap the idea? Because I thought it would be cute and you could put like lip gloss and like candy lip gloss and fun stuff in there. And give it to your like Galentines or your mom. Something fun. Like, I just think I love girly stuff, okay? Thank you so much for watching. You can totally check out my Etsy down below. I have other stuff that is better quality than that. That one I just made from up here. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Very soon. Bye.